Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. And on we'll go.
Hi guys, I will going to show you on how to make a running message using the Arduino. So the first is components is the Arduino, and then the breadboard, and then the potentiometer, the resistor. The last is the LCD. Wait lang. LCD 16:2. Let's connect all connections needed in the breadboard. So, the ground of Arduino connected into the negative sign of the breadboard. Okay. And then the 5 volts of Arduino connected into the positive of the breadboard. Okay, change into color green. So in the breadboard, connect the positive to positive, change into red color, and then the negative to negative, color green. Okay, so the first terminal of potentiometer connected to the positive of breadboard, and then change the color into red. And then the wiper connected to the contrast of LCD, and then the second terminal connected to the negative. Okay. The negative of breadboard connected to the power of LCD, and then the positive of breadboard connected to the ground of LCD. Negative, change the color into red. In this part of breadboard will be connected the register select of LCD. Change the color into orange. The negative of breadboard connected to the red white of the LCD, and then change the color into yellow. This part of breadboard will be connected to the enable of the LCD, and then the color will be turquoise. The negative of the breadboard will be connected to the LED cathode of LCD, and then change the color into gray. The resistor will be connected to the LED anode of the LCD, and then change the color into blue. And then another connection of data pin 7, change the color into purple, and then the data pin 6, change the color into white, and then the data pin 5, change the color into brown, and then the data pin 4, change the color into pink. So D12 of Arduino connected to the registers select. change the color into orange. And then D11 connected to the enable. Change the color into torches. And then D5 of Arduino connected to the data pin 4 of LCD. Change the color into pink. And then D4 connected to the data pin 5 of LCD. Change the color into brown. And then D3 connected to the data pin 6 of LCD. Change the color into white. And then D2 connected to the data pin 7. Change the color into purple. So we're done. So let's go to the code of this activity. So I have a code in the notepad, so I'm going to copy and then paste. Okay.
Trying to buy the time, we know it's all done.
Paste.
Take about you win. Swim against your tide, keeps pulling me in. We fight and we fall, can we rise through it all till we find what we want and we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just be
So now let's start the simulation.